Guys, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reacting on a video. So, it's not this one. I just want to save a video real quickly. Save to watch later. Okay, let's go to the one that we are going to be reacting to. It's called the Subway... Wait. Go, see, listen. What was it called again? The Subway Shining.
This would be the local. Come to take me out of
Let's see. Okay? Let's see this.
My name is Phil Sinclair. I play alto sax.
Okay, if you don't mind me, I just want to skip to this part. Okay.
I didn't realize it then, but that was not my decision. In some strange way, the subway was calling me.
I wonder how they make these animations. Like, I know how they make animations, but like these kind of graphics. Oh, by the way, this looks like a game.
It's funny how these stations can feel completely different when they're deserted at night. No hustle and bustle of the crowds. There's just the distant echoes of faraway trains and other sounds you'll never hear at rush hour. If you listen real hard, it almost sounds like an old-fashioned jazz band playing somewhere in the bowels of the system.
Here comes number 4 train. Okay, what letter this train is, because it doesn't say, it just says 4. But I definitely know this is a subway. A subway? Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness, this thing is loud. This thing is super loud.
An express came and went. I needed to get off.
This was an
23rd
express.
Street, the local station.
So he needed
The
a
express would
local.
take me all the way to Grand Central.
A local express, not this.
I had
this
to
kind.
wait for a local.
Okay.
That express train left in its wake a feeling of desolation. I could have sworn the place got colder, and the lights seemed to dim a little. A deep foreboding came over me that was finally broken by the hopeful sound of another train arriving. Maybe this would be the local, come to take me out of this lonely place.
I know about trains, but it says that this is wait, let me restart it. Just quickly. Replay it.
Place.
Says it was built in 1924. That's a very long time ago.
This local was an antique from the past. I had seen these cars at the Transit Museum, and I knew they were...
I don't think these ads that are in the train. Can you see the ads that are in the train? I don't think they were at that time. I don't think they were there at that time.
sometimes for nostalgia rides, but in regular service, not to my knowledge. Maybe it was some kind of last-minute substitute. In any case, it looked like it would get me as far as 23rd Street.
I don't see any driver or controls at that door. The door where the conductor
At least I didn't
drives
have to
the
fight for a
train.
seat. It was a strange feeling old car with a smell of the past I found oddly pleasing. I was expecting the first local stop to be Canal Street, but it came too quick.
I will quickly skip if you don't mind me. Just a little bit of
I
seconds.
got up to take a closer look at what my eyes were telling me, but my brain couldn't accept. Just as I stood in the open doorway, the other guy on the train pushed me out onto the platform. As the train pulled away, he was jabbering something about Johnny. Then the train was gone, and my sacks with it. But no, my sacks was right there with me. I know I didn't carry it there. This was getting weirder by the minute. I heard another train coming. Relieved, I was looking forward to getting out of that station from the Twilight Zone.
It was an express.
I needed a local, preferably something built after 1940.
And by the way, that even if you wanted the express wouldn't stop because it wasn't going to any of these stations. It was just passing by. It was going to another station. As you can see, it was on the other track. Just want to skip because if I make this video 15 or 16 minutes long, I can't upload it.
I hadn't noticed this passageway. Since there was no other exit, I thought I might as well check it out.
To shuttle, I think I remember this. It was I think I remember. I think I know what's gonna happen. I don't want to spoil for you. I don't want to spoil for you, so you can watch it. But I know what's gonna happen.
Central and Times Square.
Because
I never heard
because I remember hearing about this.
Involving Worth Street.
Let me just skip.
It was an early attempt at a subway in New York, maybe back in the 1870s.
I
using
knew it!
compressed air to push a cylinder-like car several blocks under the city. I knew one end of the line was somewhere in this part of town, but thought it had been abandoned and lost over 100 years ago.
Yeah, I remember this thing. I heard about it.
Well, I didn't know what was happening, but thought I might as well play along. I didn't seem to have
It
any
goes
other
through a
choice.
tunnel with compressed air, and then the compressed air pushes it. Oh goodness, I'm almost out of time. Come on, go quicker. Skip! Okay. Let's see. Whoa. I remember being in the tunnel, but I didn't remember being in space. I didn't remember being in space when someone was in that thing. I just remember them going in a tunnel. I haven't been inside one, but I know that they didn't go in space. They go through a tunnel. Oh, this looks cool. It finally reached the station.
I thought I must have dozed off and had the most fantastic dream, but it was far too real to be a dream. It left me feeling entirely different, as if I had entered another world.
Wow.
Old-fashioned escalator was in operation.
Yeah, I know
Saving me
this.
a big climb.
I know this kind of elevator. It was very dangerous,
Yeah,
though.
where it would take me.
Oh wait. I thought it didn't have these railings thing. I thought it was just like the staircase and that's it. There's no railings. I thought there was no railings. That's why I thought it was so dangerous. Because I didn't see railings. But okay. Let's continue. 3 minutes left for the video and I have 4 minutes.
I
Or
was
5.
in the Times Square shuttle station, but it looked very different.
Holy moly! Time Square.
I found an exit to the Astor Hotel, a Times Square landmark. Only the old Astor was torn down back in the 60s. It was recently redeveloped as an office
I
building
knew it
called One
because
Astor
I
Plaza.
know this stuff. I read
But
about
this
them on
looked more like the
Wikipedia
old hotel.
and Google.
I thought I might need to use the elevator. But I changed my mind.
Oh goodness. Come on, finish the video faster. Just skip.
Where have you been, Phil? We've been waiting for you.
I felt oddly comfortable in a place like this, as if I really belonged here. As a matter of fact, I think I have always been here.
So that was the video. Let's just see what happens here. Oh, just music. Yeah, let's not waste our time on the music because I only have 10 minutes left. Okay, I'll do the outro fast. So I hope you guys enjoyed and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Turn off the stupid recording.